Let's take another look at primary stability. Now, I perform a significant amount of immediate placement, but I think we'd all agree there are times that that is not possible. And so there are times we have to extract a tooth in the aesthetic zone, graft the site. And so I wanted to see if a correlation existed, but because I perform so much immediate placement, I was worried I wouldn't be able to build powerful enough numbers. So I recruited colleagues, Bak Lee, who's an oral surgeon in Southern California, and Stephen Jacobs, who practices in the UK, and we pooled our data, and we looked at all the same parameters, except that here we grafted these sites. And then we went back at 3 to 3.5 months to place our implants. And this is a paper that is still in progress, but I'd like to share some of this new information for you. Now, Bak Lee was very inconsistent in terms of sometimes he undersized osteotomy, sometimes he didn't, and he found a very slight but statistically significant correlation between insertion torque and ISQ. Stephen Jacobs and myself did not undersize any of these osteotomies. We just performed manufacturer-prescribed standard placement, preparation and placement, and we did not have a significant correlation between insertion torque and ISQ, and now between the three of us, we have over 100 implants. So when we pooled our data, statistically, there's a possible correlation with the uniaxial implant and insertion torque and ISQ